Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Hi, and welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. A few weeks ago, I have shared a Draw Tip Tuesday video about waterproof ink that is suitable for your fountain pen. I showed you with platinum carbon ink and my Lamy Safari. But then I got a few questions, people asking me, how do you clean your fountain pen? And to be honest, I don't clean my fountain pens that often. I just let them sit with the ink in it for weeks, maybe months, and I pick them up again and they work. I can draw with them. But some people have problems with their pens clogging, so it is good to every now and then just clean your pen out. And I do that, but not that often. So I will show you how I do it. I don't know if this is the best way. This is just how I do it. And all you need, it's really simple, a little bit of water and a paper cloth or a soft towel or something like that. So let's take the pen apart first. Take the nib off. And go to the kitchen to rinse the pen out with lukewarm water. Just rinse the parts separately, rub them a bit to make the ink come off, and when the water that comes off is clear, you've rinsed out most of the ink. Now you can just dry the parts off, or you can let the parts soak for a few hours or so. Just put them in a glass of lukewarm water and leave it. I could also clean my converter, but it's still full of ink that I will be using again, so I won't. Then take them out and rinse under the tap again. With a piece of cloth or a paper towel, you can get rid of leftover ink. And to be honest, you won't be able to remove all of it, but who needs a crystal clean pen if you're filling it with ink again anyways? If you want to clean your converter, for example when you want to change to another ink color, you just simply follow the same process. Soak up water and push it out. Repeat until the water comes out clear. Then let the converter soak for a while and rinse again. And let it dry before filling it again with new ink, so you're not diluting your ink with any water that's still left in the clean converter. That's it! Now let's get messy again with our clean pens and make some art!